On my blooper video for future time, but
So the battery's not dead?
no, it shouldn't have been. It should have been just under pressure.
Oh, okay.
So at that point, the whole system was still under pressure. So, which is good as an indication that there's no leaks on the high pressure side. So we're good there. So right now, what you do is you end up having the bypass valve open, straight up and down parallel with the hose. What we're doing now is we're bypassing the water back to the tank. This is only when you start the machine to release the pressure. The rest of the day it needs to be off, because you don't want that hot water to get back to the supply tank. So this is strictly just to release the pressure when you start it. So we got a couple carts we can load in here. We'll go ahead.
We got to do about that. What's that?
We could probably remove the paint, but we're probably going to need the paint to be removed with a gun. But it'll take a bunch of it off, so you can see how filthy these are on the inside.
Yeah.
That one. Oh, that was. Same with that. That one's really filthy to start with. So.
Look good.
Normally by golden roll you keep the lid closed in the beginning, especially when you get the little carts.
Yeah.
So you don't pinch the lid. We'll just do it just as a... Pressure is set at the max, so it should get about proper grip on them. You can have a small one and a large one on here. It'll auto-compensate. And just grab them appropriately. Okay, to make sure we're closed. What we're going to do on the first can, we're going to let it heat up. Right now it's cold. We haven't started the machine yet. It'll take about a minute and a half for the heater to start to really heat up well. So we'll leave I guess this side here was the dirtiest one. We'll just leave that on for that minute and a half. The other side will run for roughly 30-35 seconds. So I got the valve open, so we have the release and the pressure. No heat kicks on until we actually have some pressure going through it. You have the pressure switch. Right now, I'll go ahead and turn on the right part.